Hey guys, so I know that there might at least be one of you that are there at my channel that have been super early to my channel and have been there when Zaku Rhyhorn was still just at the first episode. The newbies who haven't seen Zaku Rhyhorn Ultimate Showdown should watch the playlist. It's a Roblox playlist that I do, and I quit doing it, but I wasn't completely quitting. I was just taking a break. Lol. So yeah, I'll look 6.8 million poop coins. I'll continue doing that when I delete Cat Evolution, because right now I don't have enough memory. See? Not enough memory. Not enough gigabytes to fit. They don't fit. So when I delete this game, I'm gonna install Roblox. It won't be that long. I promise. I promise it won't be that long. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be. Also, I'm gonna talk to you a little about the future of Zaku Rhyhorn Ultimate Showdown. Zaku Rhyhorn Ultimate Showdown. So yeah, in season 2, the episodes are gonna go like this. I'm gonna give you a little audio from one of the episodes that is gonna be. Ugh! Who are you? I'm Sarah. I did flashes I'm Sarah because that's the name of the episode. Similar in OKKO. And then it stops and she says, I am the guardian of this place. I am joking. I'm a police officer. You were arrested when you came to the server. I mean join. Oh. But it won't be like that poor grammar. It'll be better grammar. It won't be that I mean join. It'll just be I promise it'll just be you were arrested when you joined the server. It won't be anything I mean join. It'll be just you were arrested when you joined the server, you know? So yeah, it's gonna be like that, and that's gonna be the future of Zaku Rhyhorn Ultimate Showdown. Imposter. Also, I'm gonna show you my unicorn evolution thing soon when I feel like it. So yeah, that's how it's gonna go. New kitty cat. Yeah, let's party. Because we're meant. Hashtag the amazing world of Gumball reference. Cat shorts. Cat shorts. I wear cat shorts. I don't like cat shorts. I will punch you now. Oof. Oof. Hashtag Roblox death sound. Hashtag you don't need to put hashtags of whatever you say. Hashtag partay. Pooping Chipotle. I have ate too much Chipotle, now I have to poop. Oh golly. Purple ship reference. Alright. Soon, sunset. We're gonna we're gonna do something. We're gonna get a new cat. What? New cat. What do you call a cat race? A marathon. A marathon. Marathon. I don't really get it, to be honest. Right soon is zoom. Yeah, this video is super fun, and I like this video, and I am a cat. I'm a cat too. Meow. How? I don't like you. Punch. Dead. 4 more minutes until this video ends. I'm just gonna make like maybe 10 or over 10 parts of Cat Evolution. And I'm not gonna make any more. Just that many parts. Because you guys will download the game by yourselves if you want to, because I'll only do 10 or more than 10 parts of this and deleting. You guys can make videos and send them to me, and I will see all the new cats that you discovered that do not include this. Yes, I want to know which imposter this is that don't include this, and yeah, that don't include those cats, that don't include 1, 2, 3, these cats, that do not include this, and this. Only others. I expect you to find them all. Oh my god, I found the next imposter. I'm pro. That you must be Diamond Man. Diamond Man. Thanks for the diamonds, kitty cat. Why the hell are you making that noise? Who's making that noise? Alright. Hashtag new kitten. Oh my god, perfect. It's so cute. Oh, I just realized it has an eyeball, giant eyeball on its head. But other than that, it's so cute. Oh my god. 777 meters. Perfect. Has crossed the barrier for enlightenment. What? It can see everything with its set of eyes. You could have just said 7 eyes. Even the deepest soul desires that I wanted 3D printer. Cat self-elude. Oh. I'm gay. Go away, stupid ads. Stupid ads! Wow, I guess you could say this is a real adventure. Ow, slapped myself. Ooh, let's buy a porcupine. Slap you, I mean punch. Wait. Can't even aim. Oh wait, yes, finally I punched the cat. Yes. Yes, I'm so good at this. Is it just me, or does Porcupine look like a corrupted Jasper from Steven Universe? Huh? I meant to zoom in, but you can't zoom in. Alright, guys, that's it for today. Goodbye, you beautiful, pretties. Chipotle! I'm just gonna leave you with this cat, and the video is gonna end. These cats. Wow, Fusion Bar Rainbow's party for goodbye. Mwah, goodbye kiss. Alright, that's it. Bye.